everybody! I'm here today to show you how to load a Ridgid nailer. This will be an easy, unbelievably easy tutorial. So let's get right into the video. Now this is a specific Ridgid nailer. This is a battery powered Ridgid nailer, an 18 volt hyperdrive brushless battery powered Ridgid nailer. And I'm going to show you based on this tool. However, there are many different nailers, specifically ones that Ridgid makes, where the reloading process will be the same, but also the vast majority of nailers use the same process to reload as well. So this will likely work for your nailer too, but do some additional research if you're not using a specific Ridgid nailer or this specific one, but it should work for your nailer as well. First and foremost, disconnect your nailer from the power source or the battery source. I was combining battery and power. I said battery, okay? I don't know what that's called, a word combination, but it's not the battery source, it's the battery source or the power source. Whether it's a battery like this, whether it is an air compressor, whatever it is, you disconnect your nailer from any form of power so that it will not accidentally fire, okay? Very simple. Then once you've done that, okay, you want to look, there's going to be a slider towards the part where the front of it is. So you can see this slides right here. Check this out, it slides. You're going to be able to slide it all the way down and it's going to click in place. It's now being held at the bottom. If you look right here, there's actually a slot, once again, a spot, which is a slot. I'm making rhymes all the times right now, okay? So there's a spot right here that is a slot, a spot that's a slot, once again, where you put the nails into. Now it looks, in this case, it looks like a nail. You kind of can't put them in the wrong way, but think about it this way. Your nail is going to have a tip, and it's going to have a head. The head is going to be the thicker part, the wider part. The tip is going to be the part that's more pointy, that gets driven into the wood or the material, okay? Your nail tip is going to face the front of the nailer. So my nail tip is going to face this direction, as you can see right here. The head of the nail, the thicker part, is going to face the back. I mean, it only makes sense. In most cases, they're only going to be able to go in one way. Take your nails, slide them into place. So as you can see right here, they should drop right down. It dropped right down there. And we're going to take another portion right here, slide them right in like that. When you're done, okay, what you can do is push this little button right here. This little button will allow it to slide and compress that way. Now it didn't slide that much because I actually filled up the loading portion. But if you'll notice, the nails kind of got stuck right here. They didn't slide down all the way. So I'm gonna make sure they slide down all the way. I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm just gonna make sure that they're going down all the way. I'm not sure what's stopping them there, to be honest with you. I see. So what's stopping them is they're just being held up right there. So now that I've slid them down all the way, as you can see right there, I've slid them down all the way. When I push this, okay, it locks them in place. Now I'm going to slide this out. Now let's say you wanted to remove the nails because you loaded them, you might want to remove one. So once again, I'll show you that one more time. You're going to slide this all the way until it clicks, tilt it the other way, and you can remove the nails. Then when you're done, push this little button and it slides all the way back up and it pushes those nails up. Once again, you want to remove them, slide it all the way. Okay, you can force them out, as you can see right there. Okay, and then when you're done, push that button, good to go. When you want to load it up, slide it all the way until it clicks, load up your nails, just like that. Make sure they go as far as they can go. Push that so it slides like that. Very simple, okay? You can unload them. This specific portion of nails, for whatever reason, is continually getting caught. I don't understand why. Anyways, there we go. You can unload them, okay? Or you can load them. When this is all the way here, it's like unlocked. Imagine this is being unlocked. You can unload them or you can load them. When you're done, push that button and allow it to go, just like that. That is essentially how you load, reload, and unload a Ridgid nailer. And like I said, this will likely work with the majority of nailers that are available. They use the same sort of system, but do some research before you take my word for it, and just make sure that it works with your nailer, but it should be extremely similar to this. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.